In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GA4 Custom Audience for Google Ads Remarketing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Google Ads to access your GA4 audiences so you can remarket to people who've already interacted with your site or app. This is great for nudging visitors back to complete a purchase, sign up, or take the next step. Before we begin, make sure you have access to both your Google Ads account and the correct Google Analytics 4 property. It also helps if those accounts are already linked so your GA4 audiences can appear in Google Ads. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Google occasionally updates labels and layouts, but the flow is the same. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Take a second to confirm you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple ones. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your campaigns and the main top navigation bar. Now look to the top right for the Tools and Settings icon. It's the wrench-shaped button, often simply called Tools. Click it to open the menu. This brings up a set of sections, and we're heading into the area where audiences are already managed. In that menu, find the Shared Library section and click Audience Library. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Audience Manager. Both lead you to the same workspace where Google Ads stores and organizes audiences you can use in your campaigns. Inside the Audience Library, look for the plus icon. This is your starting point for creating or importing a new audience. Click the plus icon. If it appears grayed out, it usually means your user role doesn't have permission, so you may need an admin to grant access. Next, select Google Analytics. This tells Google Ads you want to bring in audiences that are defined on the analytics side, specifically from GA4. Choosing this option keeps your audience logic centralized in analytics while making it available for remarketing in ads. From here, search for your Google Analytics property. Use the search bar to type the property name or ID so you can quickly find the correct GA4 property, especially if you have many. Pick the GA4 property associated with the site or app you plan to remarket. If you don't see it, double-check that you're signed into the right accounts and that linking and permissions are in place. That's it. You've navigated to the exact spot in Google Ads to pull GA4 audiences into your remarketing toolbox. As a best practice, keep your audience names clear and remember that new audiences may need time to accumulate users before serving ads. When everything looks good, you're ready to leverage these audiences in your campaigns for smarter, more efficient remarketing.